Well, let's see if he opens the door for me. Oh my god, that's like the very first time all over again. He's just waiting. Like I said, I don't really want to start the car until we know where we're going. Like, what's the plan?
Why just start the car then? I don't know how you bowl. Like this, and I straight, my arm goes straight up and down.
So I won. I won by like a long shot. I'm kidding. What was my score at the end? 42 and you had like 80. No, you had 90. Little Caesars.
Yeah, I don't like pizza.
Moe's? Do you want to go to Moe's?
Ugh, no.
Chipotle?
Heck no.
Panda Express? I don't know, I don't like Panda though. But do you? No. Crystals?
It was at this moment she up.
Five Guys? Never again.
I don't want no like super fattening food.
Me either.
Wherever we go, only can spend $25.
Okay. Cookout it is. I'm kidding.
I'm not eating no cookout. So that narrows down a lot of things, so. Crap.
What?
Zaxby's chicken salad chip.
Oh, yes.
Chicken salad?
Yeah. Good job, babe. High five.
No, we don't really high five each other.
We really don't. I want to go like this.
Yeah, we don't do that either.
On our way to chicken salad chick. And you know what the best part is? It's healthy. Well,
No, it's not.
Oh, babe, you know what we could do next video?
No.
No. I can make a video.
That was a weird statement. I said, do you know what we can do? I said, no. Then you said, no.
I did?
Let's try driving first.
Oh my god, take the camera down. I'm scared. Babe, if I can't afford a ticket right now.
You're gonna be fine.
I'm gonna be fine?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a cop over here and I'm really scared. Why does that not scare you?
I don't know, why would it? Why don't you stop?
Oh, cars were coming? They're playing our song. Like, this is our song that we dance to. I was running errands. As I was driving, for instance, right here, I went to Goodwill. So I went through this intersection. I come back down the same way, car accident. Right here, right there.
Yeah.
I never knew that the sun could be so strong.
You not hear yourself sometimes. Didn't know that the sun could be so strong.